holds my printer. I like it, like the color of it. My printer comes off just a little bit, but it's still perfect to where I need it. I have a lot of space. This literally is my computer, small one. So I have a lot of space. Sturdy. I have room for my dog. So I do like this desk. It is very nice. Good size, perfect. We measured it. So here it is.
And an athlete with nowhere to run.
The answers that the person has given me are not quite satisfactory.
That's border security. Tonight on Border Security, a mysterious X-ray has officers